Hi everyone and welcome to another car boot haul. It's quite small this week because it was absolutely freezing outside. I wasn't actually going to go, but then I thought I'd do my Royal Mail stuff and put them in the post box today because the prices are going up tomorrow. So I did that. I had a very good day yesterday, hence again why I did post this morning. I did over £200, so that was a really good day for me because it's payday probably. But yeah, I only went to the local one that I don't like going to because it's full of traders, and it was full of traders. There was literally 2 or 3 family sellers there today. I did manage to pick up 2 things from family sellers and the other 2 were from dealers. But prices I paid weren't too bad, and I'll show you what I got now. So I'll start off with these DVDs, nothing really exciting. I haven't looked these up yet, so I don't know if there's any gems in here, probably not. They were 6 for £1. I did struggle to find 6, hence why I got Robin Hood. I don't think that's really worth anything. I think it was a pretty bad movie that no one likes. I got it because it's quite recent. Bad Education, Series 1. I don't know if that's worth anything. There's a couple of Waterloo Roads. I think these are deleted. I'm not 100%. They're not in the best condition. This one isn't. But for 16p... can't really complain, can I? So this is Series 1. Then there's this one which was Series 3. They had Series 2 as well, but the outer case was missing, so I didn't pick that one up. These 2 I picked up because they were sealed. I do like a sealed DVD. So this is Watchmen. I think it's a DC Comics thing. And then they had this one. Angel of Auschwitz, never heard of it, but again it was sealed, so I thought I'd just pick it up because I was struggling to get 6 DVDs for £1. Then there was a dealer, he had some DVDs. These were the best ones I could find from him. They're both Dr. Quinn Medicine Woman, which is a series I have heard of. I think it was on in the 90s possibly. Not something I watched, I wasn't interested in it. But again, pretty random DVDs and obviously obscure, so that's why I picked it up. This was £2, it's Series 1. So for £2 I thought that was quite good for an obscure DVD box set. And this one was sealed. Now he wanted £1 for this, but when I said I wanted the other one, he said I'll do the 2 for £2.50, so brilliant. I have looked these up. This one's worth around $12.99, possibly $14.99. I might push it to start with. And this one's actually worth about the same as the whole series, the movie. It is sealed, so that's why the price is a little higher. These have been selling around the $12.99 mark for brand new sealed versions. So yeah, I'll try selling it for that. Next, there was the regular toy dealer that's always there. And today I saw he had a Grogu Build-A-Bear. This is quite a recent Build-A-Bear. His coat's on inside out for some reason. That's what it's supposed to look like. So I'll change that before listing it. But yeah, it's quite a recent thing. I don't know quite why they had this. The eyes are a little scratched, so it's obviously been played with and obviously not wanted anymore, which is a real shame because he's very cute. Now, I think you can still get this in Build-A-Bear. I'm not 100%. I will check online before I list it. But the completed listings are going for around the £30 mark. Some are slightly less than that. Some are slightly more than that. So, I don't know. I might start it at $34.99 and go from there. Now, I did pay up for him. He was £10. I wouldn't have paid any more than £10, but he was from a dealer, so I knew it was going to be expensive anyway. But yeah, £10 into 30. I don't think that's too bad. Then the find of the day. Anyone know what this is? If you watch Friends, you will recognise this. This is Huggsy. He's a plush penguin that Joey has that he's very attached to, and when Emma, Rachel's baby, wants to have Huggsy in her cot, he gets very upset because he sleeps with Huggsy every night. So yeah, this is Huggsy. I kind of thought it was when I saw it. I know I have seen Friends a lot, so I kind of thought, I'm sure that's Huggsy. And it was. When I said how much it was, she said it was £5, and it was from the Friends Fest. I'm not sure what that is. I presume it's some sort of Friends convention that's happened in the past. I have looked it up on eBay. There's been 2 that have sold for around the £30 mark, and there's none currently listed, Friends Fest versions. There is another version, I don't know if it's official though, that's listed for lower, but this is the official Friends Fest one. So I don't know, I might try $34.99 just because there's no others on eBay at the moment. I think if a Friends fan saw that, they would buy it for that. So we'll start it off like that, and then obviously bring the price down over time if it doesn't sell. So yeah, not too bad for a freezing cold morning. As I said, I wasn't going to go out because it's freezing. That's why I didn't go to my regular one in the field. I don't think the families will be out today selling. So I spent £18.50 altogether, and if I sell this for 35, this for 35, and these for £14.99, £12.99, that's nearly £100. And then there's these on top. So yeah, not a bad return for half an hour at the car boot this morning. So regular viewers of my channel will know that I'm due to do a monthly sales haul video. I was going to do it yesterday, but I ended up being really busy and didn't get around to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set a live stream for my old 11 o'clock Tuesday slot that I used to do live streams on, and I'll do the month of March sales then. I won't do every sale. I'm going to do like maybe a top 50 of the best sales of the month. So join me on Tuesday morning if you can. If not, it'll be live on my channel afterwards to watch. And other than that, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye.